Imagine a world where your IoT devices never fail you, where issues are detected before they become problems. That world is here with DevicePulse.ai. The moment something goes wrong, you know about it. Instant alerts straight to your phone mean no more unexpected failures. But we don't stop at alerts. Our AI-powered chatbot helps you analyze the problem and guides you step by step. No guesswork, just solutions. Know exactly what you need before you even step out the door. DevicePulse.ai makes troubleshooting smooth and hassle-free. With the right guidance, fixing issues is fast and easy. And with every update sent back to DevicePulse.ai, your system keeps learning, getting even smarter over time. Happy customers? Zero downtime. That's the power of proactive monitoring. Ready to keep your IoT devices running flawlessly? Let DevicePulse.ai take care of the hard part, so you can focus on what really matters.